Back to another video. Today I will be making fricassee chicken. Yes guys, as you can see, I already have my chicken seasoned here. I didn't demonstrate to you guys how I started it, so I'm going to tell you guys how I start my chicken. Everyone know that when you are cooking chicken, you are supposed to clean your chicken, cut it up, wash it, soak it into vinegar water. After you soak your chicken into vinegar water, you are going to wash it off again, because you don't want that vinegar taste on your chicken, right? Yes guys, then you go by, after you wash it, you're going to season out. So you're going to use some salt, you're going to use some black pepper, some ginger powder, chicken seasoning, onion powder. I use a little cayenne powder, rosemary, and some thyme. Yes guys, this is how I make my fricassee chicken, right? And then you rub in everything together. Then you get your oil hot. As you can see, my oil is hot, and I drop my chicken. This guys, you see my chicken, they're frying over here. So you just leave them to fry. Don't ask me. Y'all wondering why my fricassee chicken doesn't have the skin on it. Because I don't like skin, so I don't want no skin on my chicken. You understand? So this is a skin-free fricassee chicken. That will taste the same way. That's the mean. Yes guys, so you're gonna make the chicken fry till you get that nice color. So just stay tuned guys and wait for the finishing product. I'll keep you guys updated on what next I'm about to do. I'm cooking some rice and peas also right here. So this is my Sunday dinner. Cooking fricassee chicken with rice and peas. You see the pot seasoned up right there, so? Yes guys. I'm cooking my Sunday dinner. Guys, as you can see, my fricassee chicken, it's frying. This one went in the pot last, so it's not brown as yet, so I didn't turn it. You see the color of my chicken, boy, it's steamed upon the phone, so I'm not really see it on the coffee. Yes guys, so this is how your chicken is supposed to look. Before you cook down the chicken, it's supposed to have this color. Here. Yes guys. Just wait for the finishing product. And please guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share my videos. Please turn on your post notification bell so you'll be the first one to get videos. And see the rice and peas over here, so? Yeah. Guys, as you can see, I'm taking out my chicken out of the pot. I'm resting them on the plate. You know? You see that? It's supposed to turn again. Guys, you see that color that the chicken have? This is how the chicken is supposed to look when doing fricassee chicken. You don't need no browning when you do fricassee chicken. This is how your chicken is supposed to look. It's supposed to fry till it get the color. You understand? Fricassee chicken not cook with browning. You're supposed to get the color when you fry the chicken. Look at this. You understand? And a brown stew chicken you do. It's fricassee. Guys, don't forget this is curry kitchen. I'm about to drop some more of my chicken into the pot. You know? I don't know, it's a Sunday. But got to know what the chicken worth. This man own a restaurant. I like hearing him say that the chicken is bad, I'm not lie. You know? So you got to know what this chicken is worth. The man have his body dirt them about the place there. You know? Yeah. Nah, cause of him. Some of them people in Atlanta bad mind. And when you big up other people, say them things bad and taste good, them bits. They feel like you put them down. You know? So yeah. This is what my Sunday look like. Guys, please turn on your post notification. Please subscribe. Don't just watch the video. Please subscribe guys. You can see I have my seasoning freshly cut. I have my onion here, my red bell peppers, Jamaican say green pepper, Jamaican green pepper, sweet pepper, my yellow bell pepper, carrot, Irish potato, my green onion, which we call in Jamaica scallion, and my tomato. So this is for my fricassee chicken. I'm almost finished frying the chicken to cook them down, guys. So just stay tuned. I hope y'all enjoy watching this video. And please, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Just wait, sit and relax and wait for the finishing product, guys. This is Fricassee chicken, and it's coming straight out of Curry Kitchen. Yes, guys, Curry Kitchen. Same pot, and I pour some oil in it. I don't need a lot of oil because remember the chicken already fried. You just need enough for fry up the vegetables. Yeah. So I'm waiting for this oil to hot. I'm pouring the vegetables, then the chicken. Pouring the vegetables, and then I'm pouring the chicken, lucky chicken. Oh, remember best dressed chicken from Jamaica. Everybody's so best dressed. My vegetables here. The pot. You know? Yeah. Yep. Just get into it, guys. So I'm fry up these. Let me cook on the chicken. Because my chicken already dry and complete. So I have to make them kind of cook first before I throw in the chicken, because it's just to cook down. Once they're finished fry up, I'm going to pour some water. Guys, as you can see, I poured my water. I'm about to add some ketchup. Guys, as you can see, I just add my ketchup. So I'm wait for it to boil up a little. Then I'm gonna drop in my chicken. Okay? So guys, we're not cook fricassee chicken. You don't need no browning. Some people cook it with browning. I'm not bashing nobody, but browning is not really like a must. I'm just adding a little bit more seasoning, like some cayenne pepper and stuff. Because I like when it have a little spicy to it, you know? Yeah. So get into it. So you see, I'm gonna drop in my chicken now. Yes, guys, we have some chicken over here for too, because you know my family big. This. You don't need no browning. That's why I tell people, when you're doing fricassee chicken, you don't need no browning. You have brown stew chicken, you have fricassee chicken. You fry the chicken till it gets its own color. You understand? Then it cooked down. This is what fricassee chicken is supposed to look like. Yeah. Woo! I burn up the raw tail. So yes, guys, just sit back, relax, and wait for the finishing product. I remember saying I have my rice and peas over here, so it's almost finished. Rice. Guys, this is the finishing product of my fricassee chicken. Look at that. Get into it, guys. Yeah. From Curry Kitchen. The moment y'all been waiting for, right? This is the moment y'all been waiting for. My Sunday dinner fricassee chicken with rice and peas and fresh vegetables. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And please turn on your post notification bell so you'll be the first one to get notified. Yes, my post notification shout out goes to Rich Soul. I'm gonna put her link into my bio so you guys can go over to her page and subscribe. She's also a YouTuber.